Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christy and I am a part-time reseller on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari, and today we have an unboxing. If you've watched any of my latest videos, I am unboxing this box every week. I want to see if we can keep up the trend of getting some great boxes at some good inventory at a cheap price, and we'll see what we got today. So this unboxing is from America's Thrift Supply. It is their 10-piece, like, I don't know what they call it, America's Thrifty, I don't know. Maybe it'll say on my receipt. They don't tell you what it's called. But it's supposed to be 10 pieces. With the discount that I used from Kristen, it ends up being $31.24. So if there's, that's not my receipt.
It's not?
No.
Oh.
Remember, we haven't even barely opened the box yet. Okay, so I've gotten 3 of these boxes so far. I've unboxed 2 of them. There's supposed to be 10 pieces, and one of them I got 11. All the rest have been 10. One's been totally all new tags. The other 2 have been 50-50. They've all been roughly around 8 pounds, between 8 and 9 pounds. This box is only a little over 6. So let's just say I'm not expecting a whole bunch out of this one. Hopefully it's great, but my hopes aren't very high. So we'll see the box. They started doing something new. So they started putting their logo on the side of the box. So this is, let's see, America's Thrift Supply.
Yeah, go girl.
And the other 2 boxes that I unboxed, they had a box like this, and inside the box was a bag with all the clothes in it. They did it differently this time. And sorry if you guys can hear my wheezing, but my asthma's acting up, and I'm having a little bit of a hard time right now, but I'm trying. So this is what it looks like on the inside. And let's see if I can see what it's called. It is called Apparel Supply Mystery Box, 10 pieces. Let's see, $21.25, $10 shipping. So my total, like I said, was $31.24. And I guess we're just gonna go get into this box and see what we have. Also, if you watch my other unboxings, you know I have an assistant over here. My daughter, Bella. She hands me the items so I don't have to keep dipping my head on like this and you don't see the top of my head the whole time. So the first one looks like Tommy Hilfiger. Let's see. Did I guess it right? Oh, no.
Haha.
Okay, also, my first box was all women's clothes. I think my second box might have been all women's clothes. My last 2 boxes, it looks like now I'm starting to get some men's clothes. So it looks like they're starting to throw some men's clothes into this. But this is, let's see, is it a men's? Let's look at the size. Let's find the size.
If it's a small then it's not men's.
Well, if I know how to tell this, if it's men's by the size. But they almost look like they could be a woman's pants. But they, if you guys are all curious, it is Polo Ralph Lauren Classic. It is just a pair of like khaki pants. They're pretty thin. They are not new tags. That's another thing, that a lot of these boxes all have new tags, or at least a lot of new tags. But like I said, I'm not expecting much out of this one.
No.
Not new tags in this one either. Ooh, and it's another, like a Polo Ralph Lauren. Just a woman's nice, like, baby blue shorts. It's got the logo there in the side. And these are a size 4. So they're cute. I like them. Hopefully they'll do okay. What else we got, Belle? No? Wow. See, I told you I didn't have high hopes for this box. I just, as soon as I saw it and saw the weight and everything, I was just like, eh. Okay, this is a Calvin Klein size 10, just a woman's dress, black dress, sleeveless, black and blue, zippered back. I mean, it's in good shape, it's in good condition from what I can see. You know, it will sell, but it's not new tags. Ooh, a new tags item.
Oh, it is. Oh.
Yep.
I missed that one.
Alright, I do not know what the brand of this is.
This is
If y'all know what this brand is, let me know. But it is just JNU Crew Rhinestone Shirt Tail Pullover, size small, retailed for $55. And it's just this really cute sweater. It's got a lot of bling on the sleeves. Let's see, this feels like it's made out of something nice. Let's see if I'm right. It's also a size 8, if you guys are curious. rayon, polyester, nylon. So it's the nylon that I'm feeling. So yeah, it's cute. It's new tags. I do not know what the name of that brand is. Again, here's their tag. So like, it looks like GNW. Maybe if y'all know, I did. I did.
The new tag.
I did.
Oh,
All right, let's see. This is another. Let's see. It is not new tags. It's Calvin Klein, size medium. So Calvin Klein, size medium. It's like a tie-dye, really thin, light, woman's wide leg pants, elastic waist with a drawstring. So again, it looks like it's in good condition. It will sell, but it is not new tag. Okay, don't need that. Y'all saw that last time.
what is it?
Yeah. Alright, this is a size large. It's an Under Armour. This pair of athletic shorts. Let's see, can I tell if does it say if it's women's or not? Loose. Let's see, Under Armour, size large. Like I said. Yeah, I do not know if these are a men's or a women's. They do have the drawstring on the inside and the logo on the front. No pockets.
I'm saying
Not
the best
new
for
tags.
last.
You're trying to say the best for last? You don't know there's a best for last.
I don't know if that's
I know you don't.
pretty.
You really have. Huh. This is. Maybe they got the boxes mixed up, but I've never had this many of the same brands. So this is another Polo Ralph Lauren. Just a basic t-shirt. Not new with tags. Let's see. I thought I saw the logo. Oh, yeah. The logo is up top here.
No.
The dog biting you again.
She bit my toesy woesies.
You bit your toesy woesies. Naughty girl. Another. Not new with tag. Calvin Klein again. So this is a Calvin Klein and a Polo Ralph Lauren box.
Is Mitchell good?
I don't know. But this is a woman's. Just a sleeveless black and white top with like a little button in the back. Alright, get them off your head. Oh, yes, this is a good brand. And let's see, it is not new with tags, of course. But it's Michael Kors. Just a woman's size 12, black, dress slacks. And of course it's got
Don't stop biting things.
the metal logo on the back. I say size 12. So size 12 is at least a good size. So I thought it was missing the button, but it's not. Alright, here we got two more.
She's bringing the thing back. The one time I don't want it back.
Yeah, she keeps bringing you back the toy.
Yeah.
Okay, here is another Michael Kors woman's top, size large. It's blue. It's got this detail at the bottom, and it's got the sleeves with like the elastic cuff. And not new a tag, size large. It's okay.
This is cute, and it's new tags. Told ya.
Ooh, so two things new a tag. Oh, this is not good. So it's BB. New tags. Let's see, extra small. What even is it? Okay, it looks like it's a cropped shirt, lace detail. And let's see, did I say extra small? Yeah, size extra small, new tag. Little BB shirt. So let's count. It's 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we did get 11 items this time. I'm guessing they're trying to make up for there not being very many new tag. They're crazy over there. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. Do you think this was a good box, an box, or a dud box? I think it was okay. The brands were okay. The Polo, Calvin Klein, and the Michael Kors. They're okay. I'm not really happy with only 2 new tag, but they all can't be awesome. I will buy another box again tomorrow, and we'll do another unboxing next week. I just kind of want to see if the quality stays really good, or if this was just a dud box, and the next week's box will be great. So, thanks for joining me. Never know how to end these things. I'm not good at that yet. So, appreciate you guys watching. Thank you to all that have subscribed who are new. I appreciate you. I am now only 9 away from 200 subscribers, which was what I wanted to be by the end of the year. Yeah, we got 191. Okay, stop being weird, Chrissy.
Yeah, Mom.
Right.
Hey, dude.
So, thanks for being here. Appreciate you guys. For those of you who are watching who aren't subscribed, if you could subscribe, I would appreciate it. If you hit the notification bell, you will get notified next week when I upload another one of these. If you like wanting this, if you want to keep seeing what they're sending out, and I will talk to you guys. Oh yes, if you want to see my beautiful daughter, say hi, say bye.
Bye.
All right. Talk to you guys later. That's enough chit chat. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and bye.